Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk Analyst. Another video on cryptocurrencies. This time this is regarding Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. And if you are following cryptocurrency, definitely you know well the other cryptocurrencies were in red, but this particular one was green. And the price action looking really nice, is going up and up. So in this particular video, I'll talk about Cardano, why I'm so bullish, and what is Cardano as well, the price action, support, resistance, and the main thing is the price target for this particular coin, and also some other news regarding Cardano. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And for getting the price target, you have to wait because I will talk about it end of the video. So first of all, what happened? That's the main thing, because we all know that Elon Musk, we say the name, right? So we know the name that he says that Tesla is looking at some other cryptocurrency because Bitcoin uses a lot of energy for mining and this is not environmental friendly. So after that, Bitcoin dropped and all other cryptocurrencies dropped as well. But the only one thing was Cardano, it was green. And why? I'll go there definitely, but I'm just looking at some other articles because now it's like Tesla, Elon Musk, they are looking for some alternate cryptocurrencies which will use less energy. So many articles. So this is one from Benzinga. It talks about I will show you. It talks about XRP, which is like carbon neutral, definitely a good one, but they are having some lawsuit against Ripple, which is XRP. Then the next one is Cardano. It talks about Litecoin. It talks about Chia network and so on. Also, I found another article which talks about the energy used. So Bitcoin is like 114 terawatt hour. It's a lot. The footprint of a single mine Bitcoin is estimated at 150 tons of carbon, which is around 6 times the pollution from the equivalent amount of mined gold, according to Digicoinomics. And also, I saw different chart that the amount of energy needed for mining one Bitcoin, this kind of thing, can drive one entire country. So a lot of energy is wasted once you mine some Bitcoin. And also, like when you do a transaction, definitely it takes a lot of money. Then it talks about Ethereum 44, Dogecoin 7.8, Bitcoin Cash 3.4. We are coming down, right? 3.4, Litecoin 3.2, Ethereum Classic 1.7, Monero 1, and it talks about other things. So everyone is looking out like what's the next big thing, and Cardano is one of the things people are thinking, and because of that you will see the price action, because everything was red but this one was making all-time high. And why? Because the proof of stake and outborrows the most environmentally sustainable blockchain protocol. And why? I'll just make it very quick. So first of all, like when you talk about sustainability, right? So it's a blockchain, it goes by block by block by block. So one thing is when you mine Bitcoin, right, you need to have computing power, and the more computing power you have, so everyone is running after, let's say, one particular Bitcoin you are mining, and everyone is wasting their money, but end of the day only one person or company, you can say, they get they are approved for mining the Bitcoin, right? So think about the 10 people are running, only one is winning, so the other 9 people they're running, their energy is wasted. On the other hand, once you look at proof of stake, on this concept is like only one person is chosen randomly, and only one person will do the mining. So the other 9%, they know they will not win the race, so they are not going to run. So you're saving the energy. The other thing is, even though we are calling it decentralized currency, but mostly if there is a company or there is a group of company, they work together, they have more computing power, so they most likely they will have more Bitcoin mining opportunities. So basically you are centralizing them. But on the other hand, on this side, you are just randomly choosing, right? So there is something called proof of stake and proof of work. I'm not going that far, but again, just trying to explain quickly why it is sustainable. And the other thing is Ethereum 2. They're also moving from Ethereum 1 to Ethereum 2, same concept, but I'm not going that far. The final thing is why we have Bitcoin, Wave, Ethereum. So Bitcoin is the first generation of cryptocurrency, Ethereum is the second generation of cryptocurrency, and Cardano is called the third generation of cryptocurrency. And even though the amount is less, you can think it's not going to work. But again, you have to like give it some time, right? Bitcoin was not like 60,000 1 year before, right? It takes time, but they are the third generation and they are coming up with the ecosystem. It's not only Cardano, they are coming with the ecosystem where each cryptocurrency can talk to each other. So currently you can't do Bitcoin with Ethereum, there is no direct connection, but they're coming up with an ecosystem where all the cryptocurrencies can talk to each other, where they can do the interaction with each other. So that's a very big thing, and that thing will pop definitely. Yes. And why? Some other things I want to show you. And also another article I found that it said that Cardano uses just 6 gigawatt hours of energy annually, not even 0.01% of 115 terawatt hours Bitcoin is estimated. So you see the amount, 0.01%. Anyway, so the big thing is on March 5th, if you have read the news already, FD7 Venture, who are they? Billion-dollar cryptocurrency investment fund FD7 Ventures, announced today that they have completed their purchase of 380 million USD of Cardano with funds that were a conversion from part of company's existing Bitcoin holdings. So from BTC, they moved to ADA, which is Cardano. And why? Why? Everyone knows Bitcoin is the next big thing. So I looked at some price targets. So it's a coin price forecast. So basically it has a price forecast for Cardano. You can see that by mid of 2021, the price target is $3 and the year end is 7.5. That's a lot. Current price is below $2. So you can make 4 times. By 2025, it will be 81 by mid-year and 87 by year end. If you look at a longer term, after 10 years, it will be 289. And the year end will be 324. So it's like 200 to 300% gain, a lot of gain. And what's the current price? The current price is only 1.92. So definitely there is something, right? And again, if you're an environmental lover, then definitely this is an environmental friendly crypto coin, and definitely you should be investing. I mean, I'm going to invest, definitely, yes. Now look at the chart. What the chart is telling us, a big picture. First of all, you can see how it's going. The other thing, on a 15-minute chart, you see how the tops, we are making higher highs each time. So this is a bullish sign. And also I want to show you the overall trend here. So higher highs and higher lows, which is called a bull sign, right? We are going in the right direction. Yes, there could be some volatility. This is cryptocurrency. You can go up, you can go down, but as long the overall trend is good, it is going to the right direction. Now, what is the support? What is the resistance? This is also important, because if you want to buy the coin at a cheaper price, or you want to do some quick swing trading, why? So first of all, you can see the support is very strong, 1.6. It moved around 1.6, right? It has a massive run, did some consolidation around 1.6. Then each time it went up, came down, but bounced off that 1.6. Again went up, came to 1.6, again bounced, and currently we want to go higher and higher. Not sure, can we come 1.6? Maybe yes, cryptocurrency is so volatile, but if it comes, maybe it will bounce off. So keep that in mind. If it comes to 1.6, buy. If not, what is the next level? The next level I see is around 1.8, because 1.8 was a resistance, right? You see so many candles pushing, but it couldn't. But now solid push, and then we broke the resistance, and now we made 1.8 as the support, because you can see some candles here, some candles here. Can it come to 1.8? It could come again, but if we can hold 1.8 and bounce off, very bullish sign. It means that we are holding 1.8 very strong. In case 1.8, I see another area which is, I would say, around 1.7 to 1.7. You see some rejection here, then again it became a support, then again, but not a big one. But 1.8 and 1.6 are the important one. It can come down, but if it doesn't come down, not if it comes and bounce back that 1.8, what's the next big thing? The next big thing is to break this one, right, around 1.95, or you can say around $2, because we tried once, twice, 3 times. Now the 4th time, you see the green candle here, we are again trying, and we wants to go higher, because once we break, I think definitely it will go higher. So I don't see $2 here, mostly it's 1.97, but the $2 is a psychological barrier. It might come back from $2, but once it cross $2, this thing will fly for sure. And you can see how the movement is happening from 1.6 to $2. What's the percent gain here? If you look, the percent gain is around 21-22%, right? So the next big thing, once we push, maybe we will go another 15-20%. And what could be another 20 to 50%? So 20% will take us around 2.4, and 50% will always take more. So I'm very bullish, because you see last two back-to-back 15-minute candle. So we are trying to push that particular barrier. Once it is broken, definitely we will go high. If not, it might come down. It has run a lot, then it might come back to 1.8. So you have to keep the support and resistance in your mind, because you need to buy at a cheaper price. At the same time, you do not want to overpay, and if it comes down, then you are just getting upset. Again, it's the cryptocurrency, anything can happen. It can move a lot within the same day. So I'm showing you a daily chart here, right? It moves from here 1.5 to $2. It's a big swing. So you really have to have a strong mentality and long-term perspective, and if you can do that, definitely cryptocurrency is for you. You see the volume here, right? So big volume, come down, big volume, come down, again big volume, but not the long big sell-off event happening. So most probably, if we have another big candle, if after $2, I think we might see some big candle, so that will be good. Also on a daily chart, look at this particular candle. So we came down, but we have a long wick here, which means we have very strong support around 1.8, and this is called a dragonfly candle, right? It is very bullish. So most probably once we break this barrier, we will go higher. It's looking very bullish at this point. So what you can do, you can just buy some ADA at this point. If it comes down, buy more. If it comes even down, buy more. Or if it doesn't come down and it goes over 2, maybe you just enjoy the ride, and or you just add more because you are confirmed that it is going higher and higher. Look at the RSI. The RSI is very high, 67. The MACD is going higher. So if you buy, do not invest all your money, wait for a pullback. If it comes down, maybe you can buy more. So anyway, my friend, the entire purpose of this video is to show you this particular cryptocurrency. I'm very bullish on this. It has a long future, it has a high price target, so why not buy at a cheaper price, below $2, right? You can spend $50, you can spend $100, buy 50 coin, and just enjoy the ride. You make your 10 times, 100 times gain in long term. So if you find this video useful, and if you're a crypto lover, definitely this is the channel you need to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.